this is where personality and learning a skill come into place, right? So if you want to understand what you have, right, you know the kind of person you are, and you want to know the kind of skill that will work for you very, very well, you want to stick around. Okay, so this has been a very, very interesting section so far, trying to bring in what we love and the different skills or the different marketing channels available in digital marketing and how we can connect and how we can make lots of difference, right? So for today, we are going to be looking at web analytics and data intelligence, right? So basically, this part of people or to be involved in this kind of space, right? Because it's actually a different space entirely, right? So this is what you have, and this is what you, yes, this is what you have basically. Analytical, right? You mass inclined, you love mass, you like mass, you abstract thinker, you're an introvert. Okay, I can fall into this place basically, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Me and mass, we don't do together. Right. So why this? So basically, what do they do? The web analytics guys, right? So their work is to find stories in data. Their work is to, we give them data, right? And from that data, they let us know, okay, this is the strategy, this is the system that is working, this is how people are interacting, this is what is happening on this your system based on what you're doing. They interpret dashboard, so you will interpret dashboard, metrics, trend, and users' journey. So you get to know, right? So they pay more attention to, right, the website and how users are interacting with your website. And with these decisions, right, they are able to tell you, okay, so this is what you should be doing. This is what is happening. This is how people, this is why people are spending a lot of time on your website. This is why they are spending this particular time on this page against this other page, right? And the personality match, right? So you're comfortable with spreadsheets, Excel sheets, right? You're comfortable with spreadsheets. You love proving and disproving hypotheses with real data. So these are the people that used to have issues with SEO, literally. Right. So an SEO will say, okay, fine, let's still write more on, let's still invest more on this kind of keyword. Let's add up new keyword. And somebody in the web analytics space will say, okay, so these keywords are already doing well. Why don't we still do more on this? So there is this kind of clash, right? So they're always disproving and proving hypotheses. So with real data. So and why I always used to have issues with, not really issues, why I always used to, because data works, right? But before you get that data coming in, right, there needs to be like lots of testing involved, right? So I think this is now where SEO, social media, and other marketing channel come into place. Before they will not come. So these guys always have more work to do when there has already been an existing campaign coming in, right? So even if you want to, so if this looks like what you want to do, you know you're going to be always in high demand for companies that have already done lots of digital marketing. They already have lots of systems that have already been in place already. So you're just coming to interpret, right? And this is what this is analytics, mass inclined, abstract thinker, and introvert. So you can always think behind, you can always, you're not just that loud person, right? So in the, let me see what I put in the blog section, right? Let me see if I added something new, right? So perfect for you. You love numbers, you love the patterns, you love making decisions based on data. I've said that before. You are good at finding what works and what's not, right? You are good at finding what is working based on the data, right? And that's why we do data analytics. That's why web analytics basically, right? So you are insight seeker, right? So this is not only for web, so also for social media as well, right? So with your social media insight, you can decide to know, oh, so this is what was working for me with your paid ad insight as well, right? So best rates, you're logical, you're data driven, you're observant, you're focused, right? So you enjoy working with data analytics, dashboard, funnel analysis, and performance reporting, right? So if you want to be doing lots of performance reporting, if you want to be doing more of the dashboard engagement, if you want to be doing more of the funnel analysis, this is working for you, all right? So I'm going to see you on the next one. And in the next one, we're going to be looking at conversion rate optimization. right? For UX, right? So for this part, I'm going to spend quite a number of time discussing conversion rate, and let's see how that goes, right? Because this particular feature, right, the little things matters, right? The little things matters a lot, and this is. Let's go to the next one. All right, see you.